Didn't really go probably our way tonight, but we will be back. It's not the last time getting our friend a rematch. Noy, I know we've had some ups and downs and a lot of things, but we're keeping the faith. We're going to get it again. Thank you.
Good day everyone. Cuarto versus Valladares rematch. Ito po ay inaayos na. Ito po makikita nyo po ang atin pong scorecards sa nakaraang pong laban. Kahapon 114, 113, 116, 111 and 115, 112. So ito po yung communication from Sir Sean Gibbons sa IBF, taking away the deduction in the 10th and giving Cuarto a 10-8 round in the 8th kung saan nakascore siya ng knockdown. Sana would have made scores, I believe, 115 o 112 for Davis, Sandoval 114, 113. Ito nga pong si Elizondo 115, 112 sana in favor of Cuarto, and of course, he will retain his title kung ganun po sana tama yung nagawa nung call ng mga referee. So ito po, babalikan natin yung ito po, round number 8 po ito, no, kung saan nakascore ng knockdown si Renemar Cuarto. So ito po yung real time speed. Babagalan po natin, ayan, may clear po na kaliwang kanang kamay na tumama, and then Valladares goes down, then the referee ruled it as slip, no, medyo bagalan pa natin. So kanan, dun siya tinamaan, then left uppercut. Tingnan nyo, wala naman pong pati dyan. Ayan. And then, he was clearly down, ano, bago pa man pumalo up si Cuarto sa kanyang left uppercut, mga kaibigan. But immediately, referee approached him and ito nga po, ni-roll out niya as slip. Ito pong mga nangyaring knockdown. So, isa pa pong isinama sa petition, ito pong mga pagtingin ng doktor dito po sa cut ni Valladares, kasi dapat po actually the doctor will just correct me if I'm wrong, no, ayon din kay Sir Sean, mga kaibigan, dapat hindi po yung doktor yung nag-aalakat man o siya po yung gumagamot o tigil nung daloy ng dugo. Actually, the doctor is there to determine, again, no, ito yung sa kaalaman ko pa lamang, the doctor is there to determine if he can continue or not, if he is still fit to box or not. So ito po, mga kaibigan, ito po yung mga obvious daw na binibigyan ng extra time si Valladares. So again, no, mag-start yung next round. Pinatigil pa muna, pinatingnan. Okay, and obviously the ref is working on his cut, no? He's working like a cut man. Yun yung isa din sa nilagay sa protesta, no, na ipapadala po sa IBF president na si Sir Daryl Peoples. And makikita nga din natin maya-maya yung controversial din na pagdidak dahil lang sa loose tape, mga kaibigan. So yun, ito po, nagpapalitan yung dalawa. Ayan, ito yung knockdown. So real time po yan, mga kaibigan. So immediately the referee called it as a slip. Sana 10-8 yun in favor of Cuarto, no? But still, ito, mga kaibigan, tinigil nung referee. Ito na yata yung still the doctor pa din, ito, mga kaibigan. So napakaraming pagkakataon na binibigay for Valladares to buy some time and recover, mga kaibigan. And yes, ito isa po ito sa ipoprotesta yung parang umaktong as catman itong doktor, mga kaibigan, And of course, very obvious, giving Valladares extra time. So antayin po natin dito yung time na si Renemar Cuarto po ay matatanggalan ng kanyang tape, and then the referee will deduct 1 point dito kay Cuarto pagkatapos binigay pa kay Valladares round. So it was scored 10-8. So ito, mga kaibigan, sila Sir Brendan at si Coach Vincent dito ay papatungan na yung itong tape na ito na nabasa, no? Alright, so nangyayari yan again, kapag basa yung tape, talagang maglulus at maglulus din yan. So ito, pinatungan na nila. But check what the referee will do. Binawasan lang. You can see si Sir Brendan Gibbons, si Sir Sean nag-react. Bakit binawasan sa isang loose tape? So, yun po mga kaibigan. Now, petition will be submitted to IBF for an immediate rematch.